Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In this video today, I'm going to talk about skincare products that are just marketing gimmicks. So let's get started. So the first product that are just a gimmick is cleansers that say they are more than cleansers. So there are a lot of cleansers out there, and majority of the cleansers are marketed with more than cleansing benefits. They always mention some added benefits that it will provide to your skin in order to justify their prices. A lot of cleansers are marketed by saying that they give anti-aging benefits and some extraordinary long-term benefits, anti-pigmentation, anti-tanning, all of those things. Even if they are infused with those ingredients, they are just not effective when it is formulated inside a cleanser are just meant to clean the face, and that is it. Even those useful ingredients may not be that useful, because cleansers don't stay on the skin for a long time. It's just maximum a minute that they stay, and then we rinse it off. So in a rinse off product, these useful active ingredients are just not effective. Now these active ingredients and all that anti-aging beneficial ingredients, they work best when it is formulated in a product, in a leave-on product, like the serums and facial toners and moisturizers or any facial creams, because when it stays on the skin for a longer period of time, they're able to penetrate well into the skin and then start working into the deeper layers of the skin. Second type of product, which is just a gimmick, is a complete range of one ingredient. A lot of brands these days, they have an entire range of products formulated with just one ingredient. If you'll see, there are a lot of like you see a lot of brand websites, you'll see an entire range of product dedicated to one particular ingredient. Now this is dependent based on what is trending in the skincare market, and basis that they sell their products. Now you'll see in a lot of websites where they sell an entire vitamin C range of products. There is Upton range of entire products like face wash, toner, serums, everything formulated with vitamin C. Then there is Upton face wash, face mask, and facial scrubs, and all of these things. What I mean here is that these products are not necessarily bad products, but the thing is that you don't need each and every product that one particular brand is selling with one ingredient. If you want the benefits of vitamin C, you can buy a serum that will be more potent and more effective on your skin. You don't need a face wash with vitamin C as well, because face washes, as I mentioned in the previous point, they're just meant to clean your face, and even if there's some useful ingredient, it is not going to work that effectively. So vitamin C is more popular because it gives that brightening effect, and when it comes to face washes, people like to see that brightened up face. So that's the only benefit of using a vitamin C face wash. If you want benefits of one particular ingredient, you can buy a serum that will be more potent and more effective on your skin, rather than having an entire range of products. You can choose the ones that will perform best, and the one that is formulated with the best percentage and whatever suits your skin best. Skincare is something which should be customized based on individual preferences and the skin concerns, the skin needs, and it's not like one size suits all. So the next point is very similar to the previous one. There are also, along with the entire range of skincare for one active ingredient, there are also entire skincare kits available, like skincare anti-pollution skincare kit. There is something called as anti-acne pimple spot treatment kit. So now in this kit, it's once again the same thing. It's an entire set of products that they sell, which includes the kit includes a face wash, toner, moisturizer, and all of that stuff. Okay, let's talk about the anti-pollution kit first. I have seen a video by Dr. Dray where she mentioned that anti-pollution is just a kind of a gimmick, because the technology has not advanced to an extent where we can we are able to formulate skincare with actual benefits of anti-pollution. So just a basic cleanser is good enough to get rid of dirt and other pollutants that are trapped into the pores, and getting a good cleanser will help to get rid of dirt and all other things that can be clogging to the pores. So as of now, there is no such ingredient or no such products that is formulated to directly fight against pollutants. Next, talking about anti-acne kit and acne treatment kit. When it comes to acne, there are some ingredients that are very good to heal and treat any existing acne. Again, you don't need an entire range of products to treat it. You can just use one product to treat acne. You can use it as a spot treatment. I have been using aloe vera gel to treat any pimples or any acne breakouts that I get using aloe vera gel, and just as a spot treatment. There's no need to have 10 different products on a separate day whenever you get acne, especially if you have acne prone skin. It's not possible to have two different range of products, one for acne treatment and one for your regular skincare. So as I mentioned, aloe vera gel is very effective, and this is something I've been using for years and that has worked for me. You can give that a try first, and if that does not work for you or if you're allergic, then you can try other ingredients ingredients like salicylic acid, which is very effective as well. Next skincare product that is just a gimmick is day and night cream. So now there are some brands that still have this different cream for day and different cream for night. The only difference between these two creams, they're just moisturizing creams. The only difference is the night cream is more targeted towards anti-aging benefits, and the day cream would be having some of this SPF, a little bit of 15 to 20 SPF. This is what I personally feel. A skincare product which calls itself a day cream or a night cream, they're just overpriced moisturizers and there's no need to buy them. Even if they have SPF, they will not give you sufficient SPF. It will not come with SPF 50 and have all those benefits of a sunscreen. So I prefer and I would recommend having a proper sunscreen, a separate sunscreen and a separate moisturizer. There's no need for a day cream. You can have a good moisturizer which has some useful ingredients for your skin, using a proper SPF which gives proper sun protection from both UVA and UVB rays. When it comes to night cream, you can use just a basic moisturizer along with a serum. If you want an anti-aging benefits, you can use a serum. There are now serums that are more effective when it comes to anti-aging benefits rather than having these creams which will have a very negligible amount of those ingredients which are useful for anti-aging. So the last skincare product that is just a kind of a marketing gimmick is skincare tools. There are a lot of skincare tools available in the market right now, and they're trending as well on Instagram and YouTube and everywhere, where people using those tools in doing their skincare routine. There are different type of tools. The facial brush is another thing which is very popular, where the brands are selling face washes along with this facial brush in their packaging. I've spoken about this before as well, where there are other tools like jade rollers, all those massaging tools. I feel they're just too overpriced and they don't do much for the skin as in terms of benefits, and they're just for like relaxing the facial muscles. So I don't think that is actually extremely worth the price. If you want, you can buy them, but they're just for relaxing the facial muscles and they don't do much for the skin. That is all I wanted to discuss in this video. I hope you found something useful in this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more such skincare tips and some makeup tutorials as well. You can watch a lot of videos from the description box below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.